Thank you for supporting our channel, and remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And also, you want to see, also join our giveaway in the detailed description of the videos, and that's a link. So you have to click on the down arrow button on your mobile devices, or does show more from your computers. And today we are going to go over the two Overwatch Genji spinner. This one just look at traditional spinners that is shipped from overseas. They don't have Amazon Prime, and this one is a bigger one that you can spin it on the table. So let's take a look. You want to open it. So this one is look that it's a metal spinner. So it's quite shiny. So the box doesn't have just a plastic. And this one is the, let's take it back.
But these are kind of dangerous. These are not toys. These could easily cut you because of these sharp edges.
So the other in the kind of plastic wrap. So both of them are metal construction. That is cool. But let's see how long they can spin. So that we can spin our true spinner, Sankan, and Chillax. And get started. Oops. Let's reset it. We'll count it. This one we know only can spin for like 10 to 20 seconds.
Unless you spin. It doesn't spin very long. 6 seconds, 10 seconds.
So the spinners that it's kind of big, but it's all. So this one has a screw around it. The bearing will tie inside here. It's a bigger bearing than the regular one, so you cannot fit the regular bearing to it. So but they probably can spin for like 20 seconds the most. But it's very cool. Just look at the Ninja Star and the old metal construction. Very cool. And the tiny Genji spinner is about to stop. So the tiny one can spin for like probably 2 minutes. So let's wait for it to finish. So this one is a little bit heavier. So let's see. It's about 1.8, 1.75 ounce. And this tiny one is going to stop. Exactly 2 minutes. So let's see how much does this one weigh. So the tiny one weighs. Oops, it goes off. Oops, and the battery is low.
Yeah, the battery's low.
So this one is quite light. It's a. Let me see if we can take it out. Yeah, this one is just a tiny.
Yeah. Small bearing.
I think it's R188 bearing.
And this one's like heavier than that.
So this one looks like spray. Is that is coating is not that good. You can see the kind of like it's not uneven, just kind of like dirt spot around it. So it's not that clean coating on it, but it looks cool. So put the back. Oops, I think it's
Yeah.
a different side.
So, yeah, this is our review of the 2 Genji Spinners. And if you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.